Hello, Ross.
Can you picture it? Swapping the faces of Jack and Rose with Ross and Rachel in that iconic Titanic moment.
My mind.
Well, today I'm going to show you how to make that happen. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes with HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, grab it from the link in the description below. Once installed, open it up and click New Project to begin. Step 2. Video Face Swap. From the left menu, click on Face Swap and select Video. Go ahead and import that famous Titanic scene. You can swap the face, blur it with a mosaic, or even add a sticker. I've decided to upload clear, front-facing photos of Ross and Rachel here. Then click Facial Recognition. The AI will automatically scan the video and detect both faces. Select the face to replace. Finally, click Start Face Swapping. Wait just a few seconds and the video is ready. To make the video even more immersive, you can even clone Ross and Rachel's voices. I've already shared a complete voice cloning tutorial. You'll find the link in the description.
Hello, Ross. I changed my mind.
And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. Go grab Edimakor and give it a try.